We recommended the filing of criminal and administrative charges against the following persons. 1. Former Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo. Number 2, Senator Joel Jose Villanueva. Number 3, Senator Jose Jinggoy Estrada Ejercito Jr. Number 4, former Congressman Elizalde Saldico. Number 5, COA Commissioner Mario Lipana. Number 6, former Congresswoman Mary Mitch Kahayon Uy. Corruption of public officers under Section 3B and 3E of the Public Act 3019. Plunder as defined and penalized under Section 2 of the Public Act 7080.